Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how we're going to feed 10 billion people by 2050? It's a daunting challenge, but one that we must address if we are to sustain our growing population. The answer might surprise you: lab-grown meat. Let's dive in and explore this fascinating innovation. Imagine a world where we can produce meat without farming animals. No more vast fields of livestock, no more slaughterhouses. Lab meat, or cultured meat, is created by cultivating animal cells in a controlled environment. This process is not only revolutionary, but also holds the potential to transform our food systems. It starts with a small sample of animal cells, which are then grown in bioreactors. These bioreactors provide the perfect conditions for the cells to thrive. Over a few weeks, these cells multiply and form muscle tissue, just like in a living animal. The result? Meat that is biologically identical to what we get from traditional farming. So why is this such a game changer? First, the environment. Our planet is under immense pressure from traditional meat production. Traditional meat production is a major driver of deforestation, water use, and greenhouse gas emissions. These activities are not sustainable in the long run. Lab meat drastically reduces these impacts. By shifting to lab-grown meat, we can significantly cut down on the resources needed to produce food. With animated graphics, we can see up to a 90% reduction in land and water use, and up to a 96% cut in greenhouse gas emissions. These numbers are not just impressive, they are essential for our future. It's like giving the planet a big high five. Now let's talk efficiency. How does lab-grown meat stack up against traditional farming methods? Traditional farming is resource-intensive and time-consuming. It requires vast amounts of land, water, and feed to raise animals. In contrast, lab meat production is quicker and more efficient. The controlled environment allows for optimal growth conditions, reducing the time and resources needed. No need for antibiotics, and it minimizes the risk of zoonotic diseases. This is a huge advantage, especially in a world where antibiotic resistance is a growing concern. Healthier for us and the planet. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are significant challenges that we need to overcome. The cost is a major hurdle. Right now, lab meat is expensive to produce, making it less accessible to the average consumer. The technology is still in its early stages, and scaling up production is costly. And then there's the yuck factor. Many people are skeptical, thinking it's unnatural. Changing public perception is a significant challenge. Many people are skeptical, thinking it's unnatural. Overcoming these social and economic challenges is crucial. Capacity is another issue. Capacity is another issue. Scaling up to meet global demand is no small feat. We need to develop the infrastructure and technology to produce lab-grown meat on a large scale. We're making progress, but we're not quite there yet. The journey is long, but the potential rewards are immense. Looking ahead, the future is bright. Innovative projects and international collaborations are pushing the limits of what's possible. Scientists and entrepreneurs around the world are working tirelessly to make lab-grown meat a viable option. Picture giant bioreactors churning out lab meat, feeding millions sustainably. This vision is not far from becoming a reality. Experts are optimistic, though opinions vary. Some believe lab-grown meat will revolutionize our food systems, while others are more cautious. Is this the future of food or just a pipe dream? The debate continues, but one thing is clear: we need sustainable solutions. So, what do you think? Could lab meat be the solution to feeding 10 billion people? The potential is there, but it will take time, effort, and innovation to get there. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting discussions on the future of food. Your input is valuable, and we love hearing from you. Alright, catch you next time. Stay curious, and keep exploring the future of food with us.